Hello, Dawn's Inspirations here. I wanted to share with you a super cute 8-inch memory folio, and I've used the kit from Pink Frog and I've used the tonal kit. So with the tonal kit you're going to get these gorgeous colours. So you've got the light brown, the pink, the dark grey and the grey. So I've used that, and I've also used one of these mini kits or mini packs from Celebrate. So in this, not this paper collection, but a mini kit, the papers are 6 inches by 8 inches. Okay, so I have sort of adjusted them to fit in with the 8-inch memory folio. So as you can see, I've got a line down the front here because if I had to join my 6-inch, because it's 6 by 8, and then add a little bit on. But you can get round it because I think you can get away with it very easily, you know, just with some added embellishments on the front here. So this is from my great niece who has arrived, but you can see by joining it, it becomes part of the folio. So let's open this up inside. So again, just using the beautiful papers with that light pink that you get with the tonal kit. And the nice thing as well is, you know, if you're not a visual person, you do get with the kits from Pink Frog, you do get cutting and scoring guides and instructions. But you see how nicely that's joined together there. But you also, if you're not someone that likes to read, you can do the online workshop as well, and I'll leave the links for both below. But just adding some nice big photo mats, you know, straight away on here you can put big 6x4 photos on each side. Okay, and you've got these big deep pockets, so you can add even more if you want to, any memorabilia, anything like that. And then in the little bottom pocket here I put some of the cutter parts that you get in the collection, but on the back they're quite neutral, so perfect for adding some little photographs on there as well. And then the bottom pocket, again, I've not stuck this all the way down because you can slide photographs under there as well. So that's one side, and then the other side you've got that little cute flat pocket there, all those nice words along there, another pocket here as well for your 6x4 photographs, added memorabilia. And then if we open that up, you've got a nice big spot there again, and being 8 by 8 you can put 2 photographs either horizontally or vertically, but again, just joining that in, you don't notice that at all. And then I've added large 6x4 photo mats on here, so you've got even more space for adding photographs. So it's a lovely little folio. I thought I must share it with you before I post it off, but super quick to make. You know, if you're making to sell, these are going to go down really well on your craft stall. So have fun creating yours, and I will see you very soon. And also don't forget to share your makes over on my Facebook page because I'd love to see them. So I'm Dawn's Inspirations. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.